how to download Geometry Dash on PC. So if you want to download Geometry Dash on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser and you need to search for BlueStacks. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Go with www.bluestacks.com and here you need to download BlueStacks. So once you've downloaded your BlueStacks, you need to just search for BlueStacks and then open up your BlueStacks store. After opening, you need to search for Geometry Dash. After that, you will have your Geometry Dash right here. So you just need to simply click on the application and you will have installed from Google Play. You need to click on install from Google Play and it will open up the BlueStacks app player. And once it redirects you to the app player, you'll have this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with sign in and sign into your Google Play. After signing in, you will have an install button. You'll be able to install your Geometry Dash. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.